So yes, actually, want to give you a couple of key takeaways from my keynotes and sessions that inspired me. And again, as Brian introduced me, I'm the orchestration architect within Entisys, which means that I'm real headstrong on uh, control, inefficiencies, automating, and cloud, and all those things. So if you're like me and you're interested to try and figure out how to overcome some of these, then you'll find that my lens of the view at VMworld was really all about future and unification and simplification, but probably more so it's centered around Kubernetes. It almost became humorous in that Kubernetes might have been a drinking game during this session while we were there. But getting into some of my key takeaways here, basically in the automation and cloud arena, VMware is clearly focused on the future. And then again, I reference simplification and unification really as the key focus here. And all efforts is at some level embracing containers to build, run, and manage those workloads. So, we're equally finding that they're focused on multi and hybrid cloud as well. They've had some advancements on that, but you're really finding that they're just continuing that forward movement and aiming at unifying all corners of IT management. The cloud challenges are also a major topic as well. It definitely won't overstep some of those views, specifically centered around the public cloud and securing that public cloud. But truly, the eclipse for me was the major announcements of VMware, Tanzu, and of course, project specific. And thanks, Brian, for leaving that for me to the limelight on that one. So, as always, VMware is also solidified confidence in me for supporting their aim forward and innovation and creativity. So that was a big key takeaway from this piece or this time with them. Well, let's talk about containers, and we can all go ahead and have our drink. So container story, just let me make sure that we also talk about this. The reason for containers really about increasing velocity, control at scale, and improved economics. But we've heard this story before. Sounds very similar to virtualization. So I'm going to nickname containers as my next atomic level of virtualization. Yeah, call it marketing, but I think that works for what containers do at that high level. So if we've accepted that paradigm that we're just going to make it a little bit more granular in our ability to control and improve economics and all those aspects about velocity and speed, then VMware is doing a great job to extend that ecosystem for partners to benefit. And project specific will enable the tools to work against container-based applications seamlessly without modifications. And ultimately, project specific will help enterprises to accelerate the development of modern apps while reducing the complexity involved in managing them in a hybrid cloud. So some Tanzu emission control views. So, we need to really dive into each one of these in a greater degree, but we don't have that kind of time. So I'm going to go through these very quickly, but I welcome the opportunity to show these off in greater detail in separate sessions. So please feel free to reach out to us. So I'll reiterate that as well at the end. Really, Tanzu is a partnership with Pivotal, and it's designed to showcase the ability to manage multiple Kubernetes clusters across multiple clouds, all from one central dashboard. Tanzu Mission Control enables customers to manage their Kubernetes footprint across those environments with complete consistency. And basically what we're looking at here is that first offering about the Tanzu portfolio, and they've promised that there's lots more to come.